Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal referral link. First, open your preferred web browser or the PayPal mobile app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your personal or business account. Locate the main navigation menu, often found at the top right or bottom of the screen. This initial step is crucial for accessing all account features and settings, so take a moment to ensure you are signed in correctly. Once you are logged in, search for the Refer a Friend or Invite Friends section. Depending on your account type or region, this could be found under Rewards, Offers, or even within your profile settings. Click on this specific option. It will direct you to a dedicated page detailing the current referral program. This page provides all the essential information about earning rewards. On the referral program page, you will see a prominent button, usually labeled Generate Link or Get Your Link. Click this button to instantly create your unique referral URL. Once generated, you can easily copy it to your clipboard for sharing anywhere. Alternatively, there are often built-in options to share directly via email, social media, or messaging apps. Select your preferred method to spread the word. After sharing your link, you can track the progress of your referrals directly on the same page or a linked dashboard. This section will display how many friends have signed up and which ones have met the necessary conditions for your reward. Payouts usually occur after a referred user completes a qualifying transaction or links their bank account, generally within a few business days. Remember to review the specific terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.